In a sustainable future with a circular bioeconomy, replacing fossil resources and commodities with bio-based and renewable alternatives will be crucial.
The circular bioeconomy will affect almost all aspects of our everyday life, both industry and society. We're talking about, for example, bio-based, sustainable and climate-friendly chemicals, bio-based materials, and also biofuels and a revolution of the food industry.
Bioeconomy Arena is a versatile platform for innovation across multiple sectors. It brings together startups, industry, and academia in an efficient ecosystem to turn ideas into reality and to accelerate the transition towards a circular bioeconomy.
Through Bioeconomy Arena, RISE is a go-to partner for transforming ideas into scalable, real-world solutions. We offer a seamless solution from concept to commercialization, providing the research infrastructure, equipment, and knowledge that you need to develop and verify bio-based processes and value chains. In addition to our technical skills, we also provide techno-economic analysis and life cycle assessment.
RISE's state-of-the-art laboratories and testing facilities cover a spectrum of disciplines, including chemistry, biotechnology, process and system analysis, value chain, and life cycle evaluation. Whether you are interested in chemicals, food, materials, or biofuels, we can offer a comprehensive solution for all types of development needs in the bioeconomy.
By collaborating with RISE using our research infrastructures and knowledge, you're able to accelerate development and shorten the time to market.
Bioeconomy Arena brings together scientific excellence and state-of-the-art research infrastructure to speed up the bioeconomy transition. With the Arena, RISE supports industry and society to accelerate the development of new products and solutions based on sustainable origins for a sustainable, competitive, and resilient future.
Get in touch with us today and let's explore the opportunities of bio-based innovations together.